We all know the benefits of weight loss in doing the keto diet, but did you also know that there are longevity and weight loss benefits of doing keto? So this all goes back to the study of epilepsy, and this is how the ketosis and the ketone bodies and how the keto diet really had its beginnings. And they found that the side effect of weight loss was actually happening on the keto diet in treating the epileptic people. And of course, that good fat as a fuel for the brain was a benefit for the epilepsy, but for the weight loss as well. Now we know that the keto diet is certainly great for that weight loss, but it also helps to balance our blood glucose levels, so can be very helpful in diabetes. And we know that the keto diet also can slow down our cognitive decline. So this is something as part of longevity, really interesting, to slow down any cognitive decline, of course, as we age. Now, in this study, it was evaluated with the keto diet in terms of mitochondrial function. And anybody who's done any type of research on longevity knows that mitochondrial function is where it's at in terms of being able to live a long and healthy life. And in this study, it was found that the ketogenic diet combined with exercise shifts our mitochondrial function and efficiency towards fat oxidation in conjunction with improved insulin sensitivity. And we know again that balancing blood glucose levels is something that, and one of the goals usually of doing the keto diet and being in that ketotic state. Now, ketones are those signaling molecules for the mitochondria to actually save themselves from making too much energy. So not always what was first believed. And in terms of mitochondrial function in that low food situation, so this is where fasting comes into play in terms of preserving and actually making more mitochondria in that state. And our mitochondria will actually multiply in this situation, also increasing in that keto state, increasing our thermogenesis, which is our body's ability to make more heat. Mitochondria are now wasting their energy, and that's when we can see some of that weight loss happening as well. So there you have it. Today I talked all about the keto diet, longevity, and weight loss benefits of keto as well. Now for more keto diet tips, please check out my video, 9 Tips for Keto Weight Loss.